Today, I'm making a healthy Fathead pizza. Combine the mozzarella cheese and the cream cheese in a medium bowl. Microwave for 30 seconds and then stir. Microwave for another 30 seconds and stir it again. Add the almond flour, the egg, the baking powder, and the Italian seasoning, and mix it all together to combine and it begins to cool. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. On a lightly floured surface, begin kneading it until it forms a ball. Lay the dough out on the pizza stone and work it out into a circle. Bake on 425 degrees for 13 to 15 minutes. A perfectly baked crust ready to top. Spread out the sauce and begin adding your favorite toppings. Bake for an additional 10 minutes or to your desired doneness. Thanks for watching.